Veganism is not a cult and it is not a diet. Hey, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom. Veganism is respect and compassion toward animals and toward nature. And veganism excludes all forms of exploitation and cruelty toward animals for food, clothing, entertainment, and product testing. I witnessed many people trying to go vegan who just couldn't make it work. Believe me, I get it. Most societies are not vegan friendly. Most restaurants don't have vegan dishes. Our friends and family might make hurtful remarks about it and forget about attending any kind of dinner party where at best there might be a vegetable tray to nibble on. So good and so much better for you and much better than a hamburger, believe me. Even my dog is vegan. Good girl. Yes. It's so good, huh? It's so good. You want more? You gonna share? Good girl. Good girl, yes. He's so good, huh? Yes, he's so good. He's so good. But you have to understand, and I cannot emphasize this enough, and I say it again, veganism is a way of living that seeks to exclude all forms of exploitation and cruelty toward animals for food, clothing, entertainment, and product testing. Veganism is compassion and preservation of the environment. Veganism is about taking control of your health and your family's health and saving all the beautiful animals along the way. Veganism is truly a very beautiful and exciting journey, and I would love to be your tour guide. So if you would like to become part of our vegan family, just go to my website and sign up for a free chat with me. And I will answer all your questions about veganism, how to become a vegan, how to stay vegan, how to set up your vegan kitchen, and all that vegan lifestyle stuff. Have a blessed week, and I will see you in the next video.